Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker Sony ULT FIELD 7 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write Sony. Now search. Then scroll down and you need to install this application, Sony Music Center. Now open it. Now it's up to you. If you need it, click allow. Don't need it, click do not allow. Then right here select your region and check here. Next, agree, OK. Now click allow right here, and if you need notification, click allow. If you don't need it, click do not allow. Close it. We did it! Now, in the next video, we will show you how to add your device to the application. So if you don't know how, you can watch that video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!